What's up, guys? Calvert Elementary. We're starting our assembly today. Meta moment. Copy me, everybody. You ready? Pull out your fingers like this. Say, hold up. Hold up. I need a minute. I'm starting to get frustrated. Okay, that's a good start. Let's do it again. Pull out your finger like this. All right, just finished 5th grade and 4th grade, and now, no wait, did I say 3rd grade and 4th grade, and now it's 5th grade, and lunchtime after that. Countdown, please! Boom. Yeah. Oh, nice kick. Do another. Oh, man, that's a killer kick. Go ahead. See you later.
See ya.
All right, just wrapped up Calvert Elementary. It was the Meta Moment assembly. I'm not going to post a video of all the kids training because of privacy issues. Also, it's like one of my favorite things and something that Superdojo does really unique, and I do myself. So back to Superdojo, guys.
You guys are so fast.
The whole time. She had an excellent round kick. She always been at snap back. You guys got a shout out to Talia real quick. Talia, get up here. Everyone clap it up for her. Yay! Alright, can you show me your combo real quick? See those hands up. See that snap back on the round kick? Show me one more time. Woo! Everyone give her 2 claps. Back up.
I can do it.
Wait! Oh, one more. Oh,
What are you gonna do?
Break all them boards.
Go.
All right, show me your stance. Show me your kick. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Ready? Show me the move. All right, ready? Awesome.
Show me the kick. Power through.
I know you did too.
Go! All right, here we go. Ready? Champions on 3. 1, 2, 3. Champions!
Hi.
All right, that was the last class at Superdojo. We are done for Tuesday. Left my house at 8:30, leaving my other house at 8:30. I'll see you guys tomorrow.